Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. I am your Naresh.
Today we are going to discuss about the one more important concept in JavaScript programming concept. That is we can call as a switch control statements. This is used to we can handle the multiple conditions of block of the code in JavaScript programming. Yeah, it is execute the many alternative multiple block of the code. If a first condition is false, then not like that we can run the multiple conditions in our programming. For example, switch expression and the case x. If it is x is true, then x block is executed. If y block is true, then y block is executed. Y case is true, then y block of the code is executed. If case x and y doesn't match, then it goes to the default block of the code. So let's go to the our notepad and I will explain to you in our programming. Now I am taking one script tag. Inside of the script tag I will write the JavaScript programming. For example, a equal to 1. I am assigned one value to a 1. After that I am going to write the switch case. Switch is a predefined method in our JavaScript programming. This is a control statement of JavaScript. Now I am declare the switch of the parameter of a. Then case if it is 1, case value it is matched to 1. Then I am going to print the value of a console.log of in single quotes or double quotes. A value is 1 means that dynamic value a. Then next I break the case of the switch case. Next I'm going to declare the one more case. First time copy this thing and paste here and edit here. If it is matched to second value 2, then only we can print the value 2. And one more thing, last one is default. This is the default case of the switch case. Here we can print the this value and whatever you pass the dynamic value that should be printed here. If you have any doubt, then if you hard coded also no problem, then you can easy to understand. This is case 1, this is case 2. So that's why I'm overriding here. Yeah, this is one first case, this is second case. Now I'm going to execute my program in our browser, my local system. Then I click on here the file, inspect element. Yeah, can you please observe here in console log? Yeah, a value is 1 because of I assigned one value to a. So that's why its case is third line. Here I pass a parameter, fourth line, case 1. So it is matched. So that's why a value is 1 printed. If I'm going to change my value 1 to 2, then second case, switch case of the second case is executed. So let's go to the my browser and execute it here. So now we are able to observe value is true because of our assigned value is true. That's why second switch case is matching. That's why 2 is printed. Now I am going to edit my value as 3. So switch case doesn't match because of value is not case 1 not matched, case 2 is not matched because of value is different compared to case 1 and case 2. So next it goes to the default block. So default block will be printed with 3. So let's go to the my page and my browser. Now I am going to refresh. Yeah, value is 3 because of whichever value. Yeah, here we can observe the default block is executed. So this is the concept of the switch case. I hope you are understood this.
If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel. and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.